Okay, welcome to Daddy Jack's Coconut Blues. I'm inspired to do this dish by Rocco, a good customer of ours. He loves gardening, so he brought me some radicchio and some escarole. So I'm going to do a shrimp scampi Rocco, I call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute a bed of arugula. And then I'm going to put the scampi over the top of it. So then, I love the bitter greens. So now I'm going to saute this in a skillet. Okay, so I'm going to put some olive oil, a lot of garlic. Good amount of garlic. A little bit of red pepper flake. A little bit of butter. Okay, brown the garlic up a little bit. And I like the bottom end, the root ends of the escarole, the radicchio. Going to wilt that down. Look at the color. I love the color contrast. A little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so that's about it right now. That's it for now. Now we're going to go with the shrimp component. Olive oil, butter, some nice 16-20 shrimp. Into the skillet. Okay. Okay, so I have my shrimp. Okay, I just want to 3/4 cook them. Lay them over the arugula and radicchio. Then we'll make our sauce. Some butter, of course garlic. We'll brown that up a little bit. Okay, so we got the garlic all nice. Over here with just a little bit of white wine, Chablis. then the piece de resistance, some anisette. We don't want to get near the flame, it'll ignite it. We will do that anyway. See where we got it, like a sauce right over the top? And then put just a little bit of breadcrumb over the top. A little bit of breadcrumb, very little. A little bit of Parmesan. Then we're going to run under the broiler. We'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, Rocco, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on over here. Oh my God. You getting that, Jay?
Yeah, oh my God.
Oh my God.
Right under the God.
Look at it. Show it to the camera.
One head of escarole.
One head of escarole, my God. Look at that. Oh, this is my friend Rocco. How many years did he be?
25 years in EB.
45 years, man.
Yep.
You should have been a full-time gardener where you bring out, you have passion, man. You love. He brought me arugula. He brought me fresh spinach out of the garden. He's got so. How many? What else you growing in your garden? Nice, coming in.
Yellow squash.
Yellow squash.
About that big. Zucchini.
Jeez, man.
Cucumbers.
Now, do you eat them that small, or do you wait for them to
I'm
get bigger?
waiting for them.
Get size out a little bit.
Yeah.
You ever do anything with the blossoms?
No. I thought about it though.
Yeah, we used to take them and stuff them with like a lobster mousse or like stuff them and then to fry them.
Yeah.
Oh boy. But anyway, hey Rocco, I call this scampi alla Rocco right here.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow, famous.
So I want you to try it, man. It's gonna be hot.
All right.
So be careful. Sometimes I take the stems off of the shrimp, the peel, the very tip, but I left them on.
All right.
Try it out, man. It's gonna be super hot, I think. Okay, what I got in the bottom, I got your escarole
Oh, yeah.
and radicchio in the bottom.
That looks good.
We try it out.
Looks good, man. Oh yeah. That is good. Juice.
So-
Oh man.
So just pick one up.
That juice is unbelievable.
Whew. What do you think?
That's delicious. That
yeah.
really is. Oh man.
And
I eat the tail.
yeah, oh, you do? The crispy tails?
Yeah.
I do too sometimes. On fried shrimp.
Wow.
But I like the bitterness. You
That
know,
is very good.
you know what I did? I put anisette in there. So you got the bitter and the sweet.
Nice. Man, that is good. We can have some more of this escarole here. The juice is really good.
Rocco gave me some escarole last couple weeks ago. And I had that radicchio in the refrigerator. I'm not kidding. I thought about this recipe at 3:30 in the morning. I woke up. I'm going to do a Rocco scampi style a la Rocco.
Wow.
All right, good friend.
All right, man.
Good friend,
Thank
Rocco,
you.
man. Okay, love you, Rocco.
You too, man.
He's here.
It's like my second home here.
We're gonna give Rocco a bar stool. We're gonna engrave his name in the back. Plaque, so it's his. Whenever he wants it, it's his. Okay, Rocco, love
right,
you, man.
man.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Hey,
I'll be.
we're gonna send this out. That's for you, bud.
All right.
Are you gonna order something else, Rocco?
No.
You want to eat the rest of this?
Sure.
We'll send it out.
All right.
Ready? You want me to clear it?
Yeah.
Take that out to Rocco. All right. That's Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. Food and friends. What more do you need? Peace.